Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Got Chris again. Hey Chris.
Hey guys.
Started unloading. We're in a hurry. Started unloading and remembered I gotta grab my camera. We got a load of heavy load of wood on the truck, free wood. That was a little bit lower because the trailer was heavy too. Look at the green in that. That is beautiful. That is fresh cut and free for the taking, and there's big, gigantic pieces out there waiting for us. That's why we hit the ground running, right, Chris?
Yeah, we did.
And we threw the straps down and started ripping them off because he's cutting down the rest of the tree, and it's big. So I also swapped out the jack on my arm real quick. The other one just spontaneously blew all its oil out, sitting overnight. How weird is that? So I happen to have that for my other jack. Or from my other arm, same arm, 50 years younger, and well, there it is. It was pull out 2 pins, and pop out the jack, and put it in, and pop in the pins. Really nice, because we're gonna need it on the big stuff, right, Chris?
Yeah.
We'll take the camera with us, and that way we can record when we're running. I won't record there because it's private property, but we'll that way I'll be able to record here. And we got to unload. That's all mostly firewood, but some of the branches are nice. And I'll probably run them on the lathe later on. Now there is a growing pile of firewood, guys. Look at that. Most of it not good for this year, but some will be. Some of these pieces I'll run on the wood lathe, and some I might turn into lamp stands and bases, but we'll see. The little stuff will be firewood. There's some interesting knobs on that, which might be cool for some kind of woodcraft. We'll have a look later. But now, why is it here instead of out back? I ran out of room out back. We got to start processing this stuff. But as long as I'm getting it and getting it free, I'm going to get it, right, Chris?
Yeah.
We can process later.
Free as me.
Yep. Now we put the other pieces here, the bigger pieces. All this right in here. But we got to go get another load. The bigger stuff is yet to come. Hey guys, back with another load. It's an all-day job. It's a big job. Oh, it's a lot of work. Look at the colors in that. So I'm not sure what I'm doing with some of these. Some I'm going to slab out. Some I'll keep for crafting. Some is just going to be firewood. But look at that piece there. That is a behemoth. Oh, that'll be nice to see what that turns out looking like it if I cut that open. That'll be interesting. This is all pretty gnarly here, but there might be some good wood in there somewhere. Yeah, we'll see what it does on the mill. Anyway, Chris and I gotta unload this, and we gotta go get another load. There's a good one more load, at least for sure. Up, yeah. Up, over. Oh shit. Okay, right there. Ready? Yep. Right here on the ground. Right here. Not on the cable. See that cable? That's going to be valuable to us later.
Yeah, you can see it all.
Oh, somebody got a deer.
Yeah, hopefully.
That's right back here.
Yeah.
Ready? Up. Over. And down. Look. Oops, sorry. You got it? Yeah. There you go. Alright, next. Wait a minute, this one's in my way. Hold on. This one's bugging me. Alright, well, now we gotta move the truck forward and do the firewood.
Yep.
Alright, let's unload some firewood, Chris.
Yep.
That's a lot. So we're going to be running the buzzsaw heavily when we get it together. Right?
Yeah, we will.
Some serious firewood. Yep. If it looks like they're heavy, it's because they are. They're wet.
That's sure.
This one's dry. I want to put him aside because she might be able to use that sooner.
I'm gonna go to the other side.
Okay. Well, we're going to unload this truck, and we got another round to make yet. We got to hurry. We have a growing pile of firewood. Nice. Some of it I'll run in the wood shop. Most of it's firewood. And all over there is logs for the mill. Looking good this year. Well, guys, it's dark. It's got to be, what is it? I got my phone here. It's after 6. It's a quarter after 6. We got another load on. We took it down to the old Sawyer. He thinks that's oak, but it's so red. He thinks because it's been raining so much that it's wet. Well, I guess we'll find out when it dries. I can't wait to slab one of them open. There's that, and then we don't have as big a load on the trailer this time, but we've got a bunch of slabs yet to do. So we got what we could this time. Look at the color. On this load, that was the smaller stuff. We got what was left of the smaller stuff. It's a fair amount. You know, I have to say, it's a fair amount of wood. But look at that color. I mean, that's red. That is so red. Yeah, so we're gonna lay that. We're gonna drop the trailer for tonight. So here's a big one. We used the crane to get that one on. That one was big. We're gonna leave the trailer for tonight because we're getting tired. We're getting really tired, and we're gonna empty out the truck and call it a night. I'll take Chris home. So that's it, guys. That is a day of work. That is a lot of work. We'll get back with you in the morning. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project with Chris.
Yep. Have a good night, guys.
Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. Self-sufficiency, guys. Firewood, lumber, and wood for live edge slabs and crafting. That's a day. That's a big day of work. That was a big job. And there's a lot more there from this one tree. Just wait till you see what we get tomorrow. Oh, hit that bell icon and get notifications. Talk to you later.